How to delete your Facebook account. Well, let's say you want to delete your Facebook account or you no longer want your contents, your account specifically, to be on Facebook. All you have to do is to tap on this three lines right here and click on the settings icon beside the search icon. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center and scroll down until you find Personal Details right here. Personal details are your information that verifies your identity. So all you have to do if you want to delete your Facebook account on your Facebook app is to tap on Account Ownership and Control right here and click on Deactivation or Deletion right here. Now all you have to do is to pick your Facebook account, and now you are given an option whether you want to deactivate your account, which is a temporary movement, or delete your account, which is a permanent movement. So if you want to delete permanently your account, you just have to click on that and hit on Continue. Now you can give reasons as to why you want to delete your account. Let's say right there. Now all you have to do is to click on Continue, and then you just have to scroll it down and hit Continue. Now once you're here at this point, all you have to do is to fill in your password and hit Continue. And now your Facebook is on the verge of deleting itself. You are given 1 month grace period as to if you change your mind, you can always go back to Facebook. After that 1 month ended, your Facebook account will totally be deleted. So that's how to delete your Facebook account. Hope it helped.